You will receive 2 boxes. Unpack the box and take out the massage chair's main unit and armrests. Reset the backrest of the massage chair. When you hear a click sound, it indicates that the reset is successful. Unpack the white foam accessory box and take out the accessories and massage chair user manual. Remove the white straps. Connect the power cord and airbag tubes between the massage chair's main unit and the armrests. Please ensure that the connection of the airbag tube is completely closed. Stow the wiring harness under the seat. Embed the 2 metal pieces on the armrests into the backrest and seat of the massage chair. Take out a screw and a gasket. Fix the massage chair's main unit and armrest, and tighten the screw. Fix the armrest on the other side in the same way and tighten the screws. Tear off the hook and loop fastener on the footrest. Attach it to the seat. Remove the 4 hook and loop fastener protective strips on the backrest. Connect the power cord. Fix the pad and seat cushion on the backrest and seat and adjust them to the suitable positions. Connect the power cord and turn the switch to on. Align the notch holes and insert the holder into the armrest's hole. Rotate the base for fixing. Place the LCD screen on the holder. Turn on the massage chair and get ready to enjoy a massage.